heading up to Mount St. Helena, where very few of us get an opportunity to go. I'm going to replace a microwave access point up on a tower. Pretty cool. I am wearing a mask because it's very smoky. Very smoky. Almost four-wheel drive. God, it looks like Dr. Seuss trees. Heck. This is kind of my favorite rock here. My favorite rock. And then, of course, my favorite corner. Almost have to do four-wheel drive here. We can do it. Just a little slipping, not too bad. Not bad, not bad. All right. I have two choices. I can go to, we've got a tower over that way. And that tower, which everybody's familiar with up there, that's the big Doppler. And one of those towers over there is where I'm making the replacement. Eventually I'll be in four-wheel drive. Not yet. Getting close. Okay, there's a wind up here which makes me a little nervous. Kind of a quick overview of what's happening. Kind of going up there to change something out. But you've seen this all before. I've been here before and shared. I just kind of want to show you what's happening and why I'm so kooky, because I'm always exposed to things like that. Anyway, I'm gonna go into the great room. There's that wild and crazy thing. There's that wild and crazy thing, and I've got access to this. Okay, we're going in. We're going in. So let me explain something. I'm going to be doing some work on not this, and not this, and not this. I want you to make very clear that I did not do this installation. I did not repeat, I did not do this installation. But anyway, I have to take this one offline, then climb up on the tower and replace a transceiver. But you know, I'd like to just spend an hour in here redoing this whole thing. Who's with me on this? Okay, that was awesome cool. Totally cool. I used my Vastra extension up here out in the middle of nowhere, extension 175, and I was talking to Santa Rosa. So I'm telling you, you can telecommute. Who needs to go to the office? Totally cool.